Hi, it's Dan from Hunky Dory and I'm here with our very last chance on our fabulous Hunky Dory goodie boxes. We've got over £80 worth of stunning Hunky Dory product for just £25. We only do this once every year with these gorgeous purple goodie boxes, and over 90% of the stock has already gone. It's in people's hands. It's out there with crafters. If you want to get yours, you've got to do it in the next couple of days, because when they are gone, they are gone. They're absolutely jam-packed. We've got luxury card collections, we've got paper pads, we've got diamond sparkles, there's stamps, there's moonstone cutting dies. Perfect stash builder, great for people who are brand new to craft. If you want to get yours, make sure you get them now, and we'll see you soon on Hunky Dory TV.